has the water to live with us.
You think we could have a duck? Did you feed them all the food? You got more? Them ducks must be hungry. They're coming over to get more.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Ducky!
Just throw some at them.
I know. You have to go up since I have to go to the bathroom.
That's the ducky.
Oh, that's the duck.
Did they get it already?
I got pieces.
Okay.
Fastest way to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Did the fish get them?
And what the fish do?
Did it nip its foot maybe? The fish maybe nipped his foot?
Why?
I don't know. Something scared him. Get some more. Here comes a turtle too. He's coming closer. Little turtle. He's got his head out of the water real good. So he wants you to feed him right there. You see the turtle? Is he swimming away now? You gonna throw the food, Ethan? Here comes the turtle again. He wants you to feed him something. You're taking too long. He said, hurry up and give me some food for them ducks get it. He said, give me some food for the duckies get it.